down south, we really like our veggies. We like an array of all kind of vegetables, from okra to beets to tomatoes to potatoes, every vegetable you can think of, corn. We love it down here. And we also love our vegetable in our soup recipes too. So that's what I'm gonna share with y'all today. If you're a lover of butter beans, which I am, I love a bowl of butter beans with a scoop of rice on top. So good. But I'm gonna share with you how we put together a butter bean soup. Sounds good, doesn't it? And the rain out there, and ooh, it's just, I know it's hot as blue blazes outside, but it looks like it would be chilly outside. And soup is so good when you get that first hint of cool weather. So I'm gonna start dicing up one large onion. And to me, this onion was not so large. Uh-oh, something's ready in the oven. So I had another piece that I had cut off of, so I've got that out too. So I'm gonna use about this much onion. I don't know why that onion's so small. I think I bought a bag that had like just smaller onions in it, because I don't think I hand-picked those. Okay. And I just cut them in two, and then this one's it's a short onion. And it doesn't matter really the size of our onion, because I'm gonna use the emulsifier. Am I saying that correct, y'all?
Yes, immersion.
Immersion, yeah. Yeah, you know that thing, Teresa. All right. So that's one large onion in my world. In everybody else's world, it would be 1.5 large onions. All right, I've got about a cup of sliced fresh carrots. It's gonna go in, and about 1/2 cup of celery. So that's gonna go in, and we're just gonna saute these until they're tender. There you go, and I put a little olive oil. And you can't have butter beans without a little ham. So this ham packaged this way is just perfect for our soup. Now I'm not gonna use the, what is it called again?
Immersion.
Immersion. I got aversion to immersion. So I'll put those in very last thing, because I want our meat to be in bigger bites. And you can actually buy this in different sizes. It comes in a bigger cube, and then it comes in the smaller cube like this one. These are great if you're an omelet lover. Help you make a quick ham and cheese omelet. All right, and we got 5 cups of chicken stock here. After we get everything sauteed off, we're gonna put our chicken stock in there, 5 cups, and then we're gonna add our butter beans. And I'm using the fresh frozen butter beans. These are so good. It's hard for me to tell the difference between a fresh one and these fresh frozen, because their freezing methods today are so quick. They get to it so quick. It doesn't have time to lose its flavor or vitamins. Or Max, where you going, buddy? Come here, Max. But they are just delicious. And we're having butter bean soup. So far, the recipe has not called for 1 drop of butter. Well, butter beans have to have butter. So there you go, while nobody's looking. I'm gonna slip in a tablespoon of butter for the butter beans. Still got a few more minutes on this. A little salt, a little black pepper. And then after it's done, I will taste it and correct the seasonings at the end. Okay, these are getting nice and soft. And now I'm gonna pour our butter beans in, and this is 1 ounce shy of a pound. 15-ounce packages. And I'm just gonna give those a little stir in there. Give it a minute to soak up some of those flavors. Okay, now I've got my 5 cups of chicken stock that I'm gonna pour over them. And I'm gonna cook this for about 20 minutes. Look, it already looks good, doesn't it? Yes, sir, buddy. All right, now while that is cooking, I'm gonna come over here and take my saute pan and give it a little squirt of olive oil. And then I'm gonna put our cubed up ham. Thank you. Our cubed up ham, I'm gonna throw it in the pot. And we're just gonna cook this until it's kind of getting brown on the edges. Not long, but won't take more than 5 minutes. I don't think. So we'll brown that up while this is cooking. And then we'll do the last steps to our butter bean soup. We're at the tail end of our butter bean soup, y'all. And this is strictly gonna be your taste. When I tell you to puree it, I still like a little body to mine. I don't want to get it where it's like a soda, you know. So you do that according to what you prefer. Okay. I'm gonna try that and see if that's about the place I want it. I think I'm gonna change spoons. Get this big one right here. Oh, it looks good. So, last but not least, I'm gonna add 1 cup of warm milk. And the only reason I'm warming it is so it won't get our soup cold. And we wanna make sure that's well incorporated. Now, if you have half and half or heavy cream that you'd kind of like to get rid of, that would be fine instead of just regular milk. And I've got my ham, and you can see it was just starting to brown around the edges. So we're gonna pour that in. And supper's ready.
Yum.
Uh-huh. would actually like maybe a little more ham next time I make it. I'm gonna remember that. So I'm gonna give it a little taste and see if I need to adjust the seasonings in any way. See, I like that. It's not beat to like you'd think of a cream soup. Still got some body to it. And you definitely don't want to puree this after you add your meat, because the meat's already in small bites, so you want to keep it where you can see it and taste it. I probably need to add some ice to these. At least it take my skin of my tongue off. Love me a butter bean. And everybody's gonna have to eat some for y'all to be able to stand each other. Gas like no other.
But worth every bite.
Worth every bite, honey. You just got to
That's
make
good
sure
fiber for you.
Right. Great fiber. It's very good. So,
Did it need any more seasoning?
I was gonna say, I definitely want to add some more pepper to it, since this is really an adult soup, and a little bit more salt. But you don't want to assume that it's going to need that until you have it all put together, because it'd be a shame to get it
And everybody likes
too
it
salty.
different.
Huh?
Everybody likes their salt levels different.
I know. Yes, you can't please everybody, so let them do their own. That's better. In fact, I think it could stand some more salt, but I'm gonna let everybody else do their own salt. So at this point, add whatever flavoring, really flips your switch. Hot sauce or whatever floats your boat. So, oh look, there's a little bacon grease where I cooked some bacon. Okay. Nothing like a little bacon grease to kick it up. So that's it. I don't even think there was any butter in this soup.
You put a little bit.
I did. Where did I put it?
1 tablespoon. You don't even remember. It's such a natural habit for her.
Oh, when I was cooking the butter beans, maybe? Mm-hmm. Yeah, because butter beans need butter. They told me. They spoke to me.
That was nice of them.
Where's my butter? Enjoy, y'all. Soup weather is fast approaching us. Hey, y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.